Hey guys, it's another beautiful day that the Lord has made. I hope you're all doing great. It's quite a cool morning here. Looks like the rain is not gone after all. It is 8 a.m. and the sun is not out yet, which is not the usual. Did I mention that I started a new workout routine? My entire body is aching, and today I'm just gonna take a break. I won't be doing any strenuous exercise today. I'm only going to stretch out. Every part of my body hurts. I can't even walk straight. I know gym instructors will advise that I go on despite the pain, but this is just too much. Old age is real, it's catching up with me. There are things I just can't do anymore. Or if I have to do them, it's gonna be at my own pace. And my pace says I take these breaks. Our yard is looking really beautiful today. The angel's trumpet is in full bloom and it looks really beautiful. You can't miss to notice it when you walk into our compound. They say the mind works best on an empty stomach, but my mind works best in the morning. Whenever I have some serious decisions to make, you will find me in a quiet, secluded place somewhere in our compound, especially in the morning hours. And that's the time my mind gets really creative. I make the best decisions in the morning. Of course, at these hours, my stomach is still empty, so I guess the saying that the stomach works best on an empty stomach is still valid. This is also the time that the birds are very active. They're waking up, they're chirping, and they're moving around so much. So, this really helps relax my mind. I always like to keep my body in motion the entire day. It's also another way of exercising without noticing it. So you'll always find me doing leisurely chores throughout the day just to keep myself busy and to keep my body moving. I found some dirty clothes in the laundry basket, so I'm gonna wash them. This is not one of my favorite chores to do, but on days like this, when the weather is just perfect, you could work and work the entire day without feeling like you're working. The sun is usually very exhausting. We hand wash our laundry just like in the old times, and I love to see the wind blowing them while they hang on the clothesline on sunny days. I don't know if you've noticed this, but clothes dried on the line smell so good. Forget about the artificial fragrances. This is something natural you get from clothes that have been sun dried. If you know what I'm talking about, kindly drop a comment. It's 10 a.m. I feel really hungry now. In the village, we are never in a hurry to have our breakfast early. So I have it anytime I feel ready for it or when I feel really hungry. So I'm boiling some eggs and now I want to make some guacamole. Today I'm adding something extra to my guacamole. I usually don't add cucumber to it, but cucumber is very healthy. So if you're going to make this, you can use your cucumber with the skin. Today I just chose to remove the skin. Then we have tomatoes and onions that I had soaked in salty water. I soak it in water to get rid of the smell that stays in your mouth after eating raw onions. And of course, avocado, which is the main ingredient in guacamole. I am so happy that the avocado season has stretched a bit this time. We are still enjoying them. I'm gonna squeeze in some lemon juice. Lemon juice really gives it that perfect sour taste. A little salt you can add to your taste. And then we shall mix all of it together while mashing the avocados. My boiled eggs are ready, and if you want to peel the shell easily, then the moment you get them out of the hot water, then you can dip them in ice cold water. It makes the shell come off so fast. I made enough guacamole for 2 servings. I will keep the rest in the fridge since I'm all alone, then I can enjoy it with my next meal. Did you hear that buzz in the background? There are just so many bees around. They're outside. Some are getting into the house. We don't keep bees here, but we have them making their hives on trees. And it looks like the rain just damaged one of the hives and they are on the loose. How I wish I could share my breakfast with you. The guacamole slaps differently and it goes so well with the boiled eggs. You should try it. Oh, I forgot. We don't have street food in the countryside. But if you go to Nairobi City, Kisumu City, this is a very common street food. Boiled eggs and some kachumbari. Kachumbari is just like the guacamole but without avocado. It was always a favorite back then. I'm gonna step out a bit. Looks like the clouds are gathering already. This rain is not stopping any day soon. It's been a while since I toured my village. The rains have been so heavy, the village roads are so muddy, so it's been really hard to walk around. And I've just stepped out to see what has been going on. We don't live close to a river, but I always hear river sounds. So I stepped out to see what's really going on. And this is the aftermath of the heavy rains. The water you see is not flowing from any stream or rivers around. It is flowing out of the soil. That just means there's more water down there than the earth can hold, so it's coming back up and flowing on the ground. As it flows, it's digging trenches where trenches are not needed, so in the process it is damaging the village roads, and most of them have been rendered impassable. Unfortunately, these interior parts of the village are forgotten by the government, so these roads may stay like this forever. If not forever, then they may take a very long time to be fixed. So as much as we are grateful for the rains, we are also not very happy with the outcome. Thankfully, this is not a road that I use while driving to the main road. It is on the other side of the home. I was watching news the other day, and my area is one of the areas that have been advised to cut down the eucalyptus trees because they are drying the land and we are ending up with a green desert. The rivers around my area are said to be drying up, and if nothing is done soon, there may be no water in the rivers. So we've been advised to go back to indigenous trees. I can't believe I'm going to cut down all the eucalyptus trees I had planted. Another afternoon, the sky is growing darker, and that just means it's about to pour. There's just been so much rain, we are now getting really tired of it. Our farms are not looking good. There's just been so much water for the crops, and when that happens, then we are not going to have a good harvest. Keep the farmers in your prayers. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next. Bye bye.